You asked, how to divide 4050 by 2 using the long division method. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 2 equals 0. 0 times 2 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Bring down 5, making 5. 5 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Bring down 0, making 10. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 minus 10 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 2025.